To close your Shopify store, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the Shopify login page, and you want to log into your Shopify account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. Once you've logged in, you may be prompted to select a Shopify store. So in this case, I'm going to use my example store that I want to close today. Once you've selected your store, you'll be taken to the homepage of that Shopify store. So to close our store, all we need to do is click on the settings menu in the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to click on the plan option on the left hand side menu. From here, it's going to give you a brief overview of your current store plan. Now we are going to get two options. You can either click on the change plan option, where you can upgrade or downgrade your current plan. However, if you want to deactivate our store, you want to click on the deactivate store option here. Then you want to go ahead and select the drop down menu and select a reason why you're closing your store. In this case, I'm going to choose other reason, and I'm going to type in tutorial. Once you're ready, you want to click on continue, and then you want to enter in your Shopify account password here. Once you've done this, you want to click on deactivate store, and your Shopify store will be successfully deactivated. Now it's important to remember that Shopify will keep your data for 2 years in case you want to reactivate your store. And this will only deactivate one store at a time, so if you have multiple stores, you will need to deactivate them all individually. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.